If you're searching for a remote job that lets you work from anywhere, you're in the right place. As a recruiter and career coach, I've explored countless job boards, and today I'm sharing 5 of the best ones that are completely free to use. Let's dive in. 1. Remotive. Remotive is a community-driven remote job board that features roles in tech, customer service, marketing, and more. What sets Remotive apart is its global reach. You can find jobs not just in the US but also in Europe, Asia, South America, and beyond. Key features. 1. Completely free to browse and apply for jobs. 2. Diverse opportunities across industries. 3. Global job listings. While browsing Remotive, I even stumbled upon a job that caught my eye. A reminder that you never know what opportunities might pop up. Make sure to check it out if you're on the hunt for a remote role. 2. We work remotely. We work remotely is one of my personal favorites. Not only does it have a clever name, but it also offers a wide range of remote job opportunities in fields like tech, design, and customer support. Key features. 1. Free access to job listings. 2. Comprehensive job search support, including blog posts and career advice. 3. Free expert resume reviews and coaching calls. I tried their resume review service myself and discovered some useful insights, even as a professional resume writer. After the review, you can schedule a free call with a career coach, a valuable service that would typically cost a lot. 3. Remote.co. Remote.co specializes in non-tech remote jobs, making it an excellent option for beginners or those transitioning into remote work. You'll find jobs in education, writing, customer service, virtual assisting, bookkeeping, and more. Key features. 1. Free for job seekers. 2. Beginner-friendly roles that require less experience or education. 3. Detailed company profiles and insights into hiring practices. If you're new to remote work, Remote.co offers a great starting point to explore opportunities that match your skill level and interests. 4. FlexJobs Free Job Listings Section. FlexJobs is a premium job board specializing in remote, flexible, and hybrid roles across multiple industries. While it primarily offers a paid membership, its free job listings section still provides access to high-quality remote opportunities. Key features. 1. Hand-screen job postings to avoid scams. 2. Opportunities in a wide range of fields, from healthcare to project management. 3. Career resources including webinars and resume tips. Even if you don't sign up for a paid membership, the free job listings can help you find legitimate remote jobs without the frustration of endless searches. 5. Wellfound, formerly AngelList. Wellfound is the go-to platform for remote startup jobs. While most listings focus on entrepreneurship and tech, the site features roles across various industries. If you enjoy a fast-paced, high-growth environment, this is the platform for you. Key features. 1. Focus on startup jobs, many of which are remote. 2. Comprehensive job postings with details on preferred time zones, visa sponsorships and compensation, salary, equity, bonuses. 3. Streamline search process. Wellfound is perfect for those who thrive in startup culture and want to explore opportunities in innovative companies. Whether you're new to remote work or an experienced professional looking for your next opportunity, these platforms offer valuable resources to help you land a great remote job. Start exploring today and you might just find your perfect fit.